for that's why going through this training and try in this part. So that is why I'm just taking the training and try to start.
So, previously, do you have any such experience, industry experience?
A little bit, not exactly, because now presently I'm totally on break, and that is why just want to start and taking this training. So I don't have much experience in this.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, Chandra, can you just introduce yourself? Hello. Anyone? Hello.
Hi, is it me or there's another
Yes,
person?
yes, yes, you go ahead. Yes.
I think he left.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you can go ahead, Chandru.
Yeah, sure. I'm Chandru. I'm currently working as an SuccessFactor onboarding consultant, and I'm looking forward to learn other models.
Okay, good. How much experience you have in success factor?
2 years.
Okay, good. Yes, Ram.
My name is Ram, and I work on the client side. I'm implementing ECP, so that's the reason I'm here.
Okay, good. Akram.
I just completed my MBA.
Okay,
Yeah, so yes.
okay. Okay, guys. So I am Pratyush and I have around 15 years of experience totally, and I am working in specially employee central payroll. So this is class is specifically employee central payroll. We will discuss on how we configure employee central payroll, how we implement employee central payroll. So to implement employee central payroll, we have some basic requirements like employee central. We need to be understand what is employee central and how we implement employee central. So the prerequisite is employee central to implement employee central payroll, and the next is configuring employee central payroll. That is one part. Again, once we integrate with EC2 ECP, again we have to do the point to point integrations. So in that all those things we will discuss. And another thing is payroll control center, where we uh, see our KPIs, where we run our payroll, where we see the policies. We make our policies, make our process. So payroll process, the off cycle payroll process, and bank transfer process, all those things all are inbuilt in success factor only. So before we call it SAP HCM payroll, but now SAP come with the new functionality with success factor, so that we will run the payroll within the success factor itself. So that is the reason it is the hybrid product. So it is cloud based payroll. So we can use this in success factor, run the payroll in success factor itself. No need to be go to the SAP GUI to run our payrolls. So we will discuss all these things like how we configure actions regions, how we configure personal area, personal sub area. We will discuss all those things in our class. And the currently we don't have any such contents what Tavlin asked right before ki what is the content. So the content is not yet prepared, but I am telling you the content will be, we will discuss in our class how we configure employee central payroll. So that is initial part. Okay, someone Ram is asking.
Pratyush, I just wanted to check, will we get access to Employee Central Payroll System? Will we be working
Yes,
on it, or
yes,
will we
yes,
be working on
yes, sir.
EC and SAP?
Subbu will give you the access, so you check with Subbu. So Subbu will be provide you the employee central payroll access.
Okay, so is that part of the training as well?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Okay, so what happened? We will discuss totally initially. We will discuss about success factor and what is the important portlets we use for employee central payroll. Basically, in employee central payroll, we this is the target system, not the source system. Source system of master data is employee central, where we kept our all employee informations like personal information, biographic information, job informations, bank informations, time informations, all related payroll related information we maintain in success factor. And success factor is the source system. So we consume the data from success factor so that we will replicate those data from success factor to success factor payroll. So that also we will discuss how we will integrate between success factor to success factor payroll. Okay, so there is also to do that, there is some settings, there is some configurations we need to do. We will discuss all those things, and we will discuss all the portlet related fields to field to field mapping. So how we map our EC to ECP fields, that configurations we will discuss, and plus how we configure the payroll, right? How we configure the wage types, pay components, how we run the payroll, all those things like we need to understand what is personal management, what is personal administration, what is time management, what is SAP payroll. All those four modules we need to be understand. So those also we will discuss at the time of training, how we configure those things. Apart from that, we will discuss as well as payroll control center. What is payroll control center? That is the another part, the beauty of success factor payroll. We will discuss how we create the process and how we configure and how we integrate payroll control center, and what is the role of basis consultant, what is the role of above consultant, what is the role of success factor consultant, and what is the provisioning settings we need to be enabled, and what is the role based permissions we need to be enabled to implement the employee central payroll. So all those things we will discuss in our training. Yes, any questions, anyone?
Yeah, Pratyush. Is success factor and success factor payroll are both are different or how it is?
Correct. Success factor and success factor payroll, both the servers are different servers. So what happened? Success factor initially when it is take over, so that time we don't have payroll in the success factors. So that SAP have very robust payroll system, which we called SAP HCM payroll. So it was on-premise payroll, and due to the demand of market, everyone go to the cloud software, ERP software. You heard about Workday. So Workday and SuccessFactors, they come with the new solutions, cloud-based ERP. So due to that demand, SuccessFactors occupy or buy a success factor, yes, take over the success factor company, and so that it is integrated now. So now from SAP HCM payroll on premises, now it is moved to cloud payroll. So what happened, the same software we kept in the cloud, and we use that software with integrating with success factor. So that the name is just changed from SAP HCM payroll to SuccessFactor payroll, with adding additional features like payroll control center, P2P integrations, all those things. In SAP HCM payroll, you don't have the PCC concept, but in SuccessFactor payroll, you have the PCC concept where you can do some reporting, you can make some KPIs. So it enhances that part like auditing, all those things is developed in PCC. So yes, your question is this right? Well, both are different server. Yes.
Yeah, and we have cloud only payroll or other modules also in the cloud?
SuccessFactor is already in the cloud, but for only payroll is only in the cloud. Okay, and SuccessFactor in the different server, and payroll is different server. So for payroll, we need to be buy separate license, and we integrate the SuccessFactor payroll with SuccessFactor.
Okay. Thank you, Pratish.
Okay. So Akram, you already worked in SuccessFactor before, or you are new to
No, no, I
Success?
didn't work any time, so this is first time.
Okay. So do you have any HR experience?
Yeah, yeah, I work as HR.
Okay, you are an end user right now. Okay.
Yes, yes. But I was work end user for SAP Field Glass. I was it.
Okay, that's fine. So yes, Chandra is joined now. Hello, Chandra. Hello. You are in mute, Chandra. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Chandra. Okay, okay,
I
Subbu,
can
that's
hear.
fine. I thought Chandra joined. Okay. What about Mohammed? I think you not yet introduced yourself, right, Mohammed? Hello, Mohammed. Okay. Anyone have any questions about the course content? I already explained you. So, are you fine? Tell me if you are available at what time. If morning time, 7 a.m. fine for everyone. If we start the class,
I'm okay with 7.
okay. What about Chandru, Akram?
Yeah, works. Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yeah, okay, okay.
fine. Okay, okay then. So we will start from 7 a.m. Every Monday to Friday. Okay, we will target to complete it by in 1 month. So I expect from you guys whatever I teach you in the class. Expect in the you have to complete that day only, right? So if you have to memorize and you have to do some hard work, because 1 month is not very big time. Okay, so if you do at least hard work in 1 month, at least you can learn and you can expose yourself in better way. So try to give your best time in this training, so we will complete in 1 month. This is a very big subject. It is not only success factor. You have to learn success factor, payroll, integrations, and PCC. That's a four part in this training. So the prerequisite is for success factor payroll is success factor as well as SAP HCM. So both are the different technology. SAP HCM is on-premise technology and success factor is cloud technology. So you have to know the basics things in both the systems. But we don't worry, we will cover all those things in our class. Do you know what is provisioning? Anyone? Success factor provisioning.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is a backend where we enable all the switches so that in
Okay.
instance we can use some order.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So do you already worked in provisioning system before?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Good. Good. So that means you have the basic concept of success factor, right? What is instance? What is provisioning? What is RBP? And basic portlets.
Yes,
Correct.
yes, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So but you don't have worked before in SAP HCM, right?
No, HCM is new for me.
Okay, so we will learn how we do SAP HCM, how we configure SAP HCM. We will discuss all those things. So you need to be if because when we're going to implement SuccessFactor payroll, before that SuccessFactor is already implemented. Okay, So we're not going to implement success factor, but we need to understand the basic things. What are the portlets we are using for success factor payroll? What are the switches we need to be activate in provisioning? What are the permissions we need to be give for success factor payroll consultant, configure consultant, and admin, payroll admin? All those things we need to understand for EC site. And what are the reports we need to be generating success factor, those things, and what are the things we need to be configure and map to success factor payroll system in SAP HCM system. That also we need to be understand. Okay, good.
Pratyush, do we need to have any technical knowledge to learn this?
Technical knowledge means no technical knowledge, but as a functional consultant, what are the technical things means we need to be configure the things, not the technicals means above things we no need to be do that. But what are the above objects we have? Standard above objects like pay slip, pay statements, right? So pay statement SAP have the standard forms. We use the standard forms normally, but we need technical help in the above to configure a customer payslip pay statement. SAP have their standard pay statement, but normally all the implementation project customers have their own pay statement format and they want to stick on that. So we need to be convert the standard format to custom format. So in those scenario, we need a above developer helps to modify the standard forms, or in
Okay,
case they want any customize in KPIs or rules. So in that case, we need above help. So there's a different consultant in ECP. One is functional consultant, one is above consultant, one is basis, one is security, and all those have the technicals. We call those technical consultants above, security, and basis, CPI, and those are the technical consultant. But we only discuss about the functional. What is the role of functional consultant? So in the functional consultant normally configure the system. That also technical, but we will only configure. What are the configurations we have? Those are taken care by the functional consultants.
okay. How about data extraction and data migration? Is
Data
that too
extraction,
technical?
data migration also part of ECP. So that also part of ECP, but that consultant is also a different team that is not part of functional team.
Okay. So that one also ABAP developer will take care. Huh?
So project to project depends. Some projects they if they create their own tool, the developer help required to that. But the migration purpose, no need to be above help required. The functional team who is working on data migration team, they will take care of those migration objects.
Okay.
Hi Dibakar. Hello. Hello Dibakar. Okay. Any questions, Akram? Any question? Anyone have any questions? Please feel free to ask me. Tavlin.
So, my question is basically I am a bit new in this, so hopefully I'll be able to understand because what the
Yes, yes.
technical languages you are using right now, I'm not able to getting it.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So hence Akram asked those things, and Chandru already walked those things. They asked me, but we will discuss all the points. Whatever I discussed with Chandru and Akram, we will just discuss all those points in our training class sessions. So we'll go from the basics, right? We will not jump directly to any provisioning or directly not go for any RPP. we'll tell you the basic things, right? We will initially start with the success factor. We will understand what is the basics of success factor. Then we will tell you what are the input types in SAP HCM and what are the point to point integrations. So all those things I will tell you. Also, be patient. Don't think that in 1 month you will be cover everything. So thing is that after 1 month also you need to be do practice. So what I simply say, SAP means you need to be understand. You have to sit and practice every day, right?
Yeah.
At least you think that five half an hour or 1 hour, but you have to practice every day 1 hour. So
Okay.
you plan likewise. You don't think that without practice anything you will go and you will work directly. That is not possible. So whatever I
Right.
am teaching you in the class, so just revise it and practice every day. So
Okay.
anytime if I ask you the any the discussed or the our uh, sessions, right, previous session, if anytime I will ask you, just think that I can ask anytime any questions, right? So be
Okay.
prepared that to answer and tell that. Okay. So
Okay.
Chandra, yes, Chandra, hello, your hand is raised, Chandra. Do you want to ask something?
How are the opportunities in market, Pratyush, for success factor?
The market opportunity is good, but thing is that there's a lot of competitions, right? You have to perform their best. Okay, so the basic things what we learn in our coming classes, you have to tell those things at least, right? So that only you will tell to the when you go attend any interview. But thing is that you have to practice much. The opportunity is good, as per your questions, the opportunity is very good, but how you convert it to a opportunity, that's up to you.
And how to overcome since we are into fresher area? So I mean, still we will be able to make it, or how it is?
So that is on our training, right? So you have to do the 100%, give your 100% in the training. So we will overcome. Once you complete the training 100%, you will be confident.
Okay.
Subbu, Divakar joined, or
Sorry, sir.
Divakar is our student, or
Student.
okay, okay, he's already okay, okay, he left. Okay, okay, if nothing, we can close the session and we will start our session from Monday.
Yeah, Kram
Yes.
Chandra, Chandru. If you have any doubt, you can ask him. So otherwise, you can wind up today.
Yes,
Sorry,
sorry,
John.
I joined 5 minutes late, so I just want to know, is there any fee structure that will be discussed, or is it something that is
That you can discuss with Subbu after this call. Okay.
okay?
So
Okay,
Subbu will tell you this fee structure and all those things. So contact with Subbu.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Related to training, anything else you have, anything, anyone have any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So our training will be starting from Monday. So we will join on Monday then.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah.